guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Zodiac sign series nail art tutorial video for you. Next in my Zodiac sign series is the sign of Virgo, and as you know, this year I was inspired by the Coyle Polish Zodiac signs nail polish collection, and I also own all of the MoYou London Zodiac signs stamping plates, so I decided to kind of combine these together and bring you this series. I do hope that you have enjoyed them so far. I only have 3 more signs left. The year is just flying by. I don't really know where all these months went so far, but I do hope that you will also like this tutorial. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs up the video for me. And of course, if you're new here and if you don't want to miss out on any of the upcoming tutorials from this series, then also hit the subscribe button. Coyle polish is being discontinued. I know they are still selling some of their polishes, so if you can get the Zodiac sign nail polishes or the collection as a whole, then definitely I would recommend you. So far I liked every single one of them, and this one is no difference, but I will leave you more information on everything in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. Alright guys, that's it for my short long intro. As you guys know, I can never keep them short. Thank you so much for being here today. I do hope that you enjoyed my video, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.